In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place your first order on 1688. We'll start inside the 1688 app. For the best search results, use Chinese keywords since most listings are written for domestic buyers. If you don't know the terms, a quick translation can help you find the right phrases. Open a product page that matches what you want and slow down to scan the details. Look at the price tiers to see how the price changes with quantity. Check the minimum order quantity so you know the smallest amount you can buy, and review all product options like color, size, or model. This helps you avoid surprises at checkout. Before you buy, evaluate the seller carefully. Prioritize stores that have been operating for several years with diamond or crown ratings, strong transaction volumes, and buyer reviews that include photos. A thorough product description is a good sign that the seller knows their item and stands behind it. Be cautious with listings that show unusually low prices but have no reviews. The savings may not be worth the risk. It's smart to message the seller first. Tap Lianxi Maijia and ask whether the item is currently in stock, how long it will take before shipping, and whether they can deliver to your warehouse city. Keeping all communication inside 1688 protects you and creates a clear record if you need support later. Next, add a China shipping address. Go to My Account, then Shipping Address, and enter your freight forwarder's Chinese address. Make sure the recipient name, phone number, and city are exactly correct. A small typo can cause delays, so double check everything. When you're ready, select the exact color, size, and quantity you want. Tap Jia Rujin Huodan to add the item to your cart, then open Jin Huodan to review your selections one more time. Proceed to checkout by tapping Kujieswan. Confirm every detail. Item variations, quantities, price tiers applied, and the shipping address. Choose Zifubao or Alipay to pay. Your money is held in escrow until the seller ships and the order is confirmed, which adds an extra layer of protection. After payment, track your order in My Orders. You'll see statuses like Dai Fa Huo, meaning not shipped yet, and Yi Fa Huo, meaning shipped. Watch the tracking as the package moves to your warehouse so you can coordinate the next leg without delay. Once your warehouse receives the goods, choose your international shipping method, either air for speed or sea for cost savings. Pay the international shipping charges and keep tracking the parcel until it arrives. With these steps, you'll place your first order on 1688 confidently and efficiently.